Mukunda Priya. Which class you are? Nursery. What you have known? Tell me. What you have known? Alphabets you know? Sriyansh no. You don't know ABCD? Don't know? Rammanu. కూర్చుంటా. Which class you are? Class. Huh? ఏ క్లాసు? మళ్ళీ చెప్పు. What is this? What's your teacher name? UVW S T U V S T U V W X Y Z. Gift.